Hi, hello, marhaba, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Turkey the Heaven. So today I am traveling to Shah Allah Ditta Caves, Islamabad, Pakistan. This is very nearest location from Islamabad center. You can reach here very easily. So let's discover this place together. I am visiting here first time, so stay connected. And if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel also and turn on the notification bar to see all the videos on time. So let's discover this journey, this place together. Very beautiful views. This is very near to center of Islamabad, Pakistan. Shah Allah Ditta Caves, Islamabad, Pakistan. And I am extremely sorry for posting a vlog after a very long time. My health was not good because I came to Pakistan and there is some issue with my health, so I was resting. We are almost reached to this location and views are very nice. Will show you this place. I am visiting first time. Whenever you come Pakistan, Islamabad, must visit these places. So let's see what we can see here. I need to park my car here, then we will start discover this place. Stay connected. This is very nice views at Shah Allah Ditta Caves, Islamabad, Pakistan. So we'll see. There is one cave, one is I think this side also. Whenever you come Islamabad, Pakistan, must visit this place as well. This is very near to center of Islamabad, Shah Allah Ditta Caves. You can see the old trees. I think these are very old. and very beautiful views. Here you can see as well. There is one more at this side also. We'll go from other side to see there. And here you can see the main road as well, from where you can came here so easily. Here is also very nice. इधर आ सकते हैं भाई, इधर आ सकते हैं, इधर से बंद है. So whenever you come, कहाँ पे वो जो घर बना हुआ है उससे भी ऊपर भी है कोई? ओके, वो जिसके अंदर कुर्सी पड़ी हुई है. मैं गया था, मैंने कहा पता नहीं अंदर कितना, मैं देख लेता हूँ. सो आई नीड टू लॉक माई कार, देन वी विल गो फॉर अपसाइड. Don't forget to like and share the video to see more upcoming vlogs of Islamabad, Pakistan and other places of Pakistan. You can see, read the history also of this location. We'll see the other cave from inside. We'll see this one from inside. I think there is no way, maybe there is, but very nice place. You should must visit whenever you come Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Remember me in your prayers. May you have safe and nice journey. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.